truffle shuffle. How is this possible, Mr. Schmidt? How is this possible, Mr. Schmidt?
22, son.
22s. Merry Christmas, bitch! Go to work, son. Go to work.
You do it so wrong. Watch, I'll do it. You film me. Alright.
22, son. We gonna do work.
You freaking tackled me. Look at it. You're freaking like boxers. I like hella red.
Does my posture make you feel uncomfortable?
I think the posture is the last thing on my mind right now.
Get the damn camera precisely.
I'll be up
In the gym, just working.
Turn it off.